If you're watching this video, chances are your Windows taskbar has mysteriously disappeared. And don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that issue and get your taskbar on track in just a few quick fix steps. First, let's check if your taskbar is set to auto hide. It's a common setting that can make the taskbar disappear unless you hover your mouse over to the bottom of the screen. Right click and select taskbar settings. In the settings window, make sure that automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode is turned off. If it's on, simply toggle it off and your taskbar should immediately reappear. Now if the taskbar still isn't showing, let's try restarting Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl+Shift+X to open Task Manager. Scroll down and find Windows Explorer in the list of running processes. Right click on it and click on Restart. And these are some steps to fix the taskbar not showing option in your Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.